music together, because why not? I be flossing. I be flossing. I be flossing. I be flossing. Flossing is the dance that took the world by storm on the internet.
Oh.
The dance
Hi,
just
guys.
really came to mind.
You're
Like,
back.
I was just like playing around.
Thanks. Woo! Oh, hey, guys. Just enjoying some YouTube. Welcome back. Procrastinated over the last couple of weeks because it's been Christmas and New Year, and I'm finally getting back in the saddle and doing my artwork. And then I get to go outside. Not that I really want to go outside, it's just my girlfriend insisted that I probably should see daylight, as I haven't seen it for well over 6 years now. So let's do this. Oh God. Well, I've finally done it. Finally completed that fucking picture. I get to go outside. God, I'm unfit. It's like I spend all my time in a chair, right? See, the problem with the sun is it's just too fucking bright. It's too fucking bright. I've come to some sort of impasse. Oh fucking hell, that is boggy. Jesus Christ, what the fuck is that? Oh, just a grouse. Oh, there's some cows there. God, this place looks like a shithole. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Are you taking a shit or? Got that on camera, you know. You should be ashamed of yourself. Should be goddamn ashamed of yourself. Anyway, I hope to be doing more pen and ink tutorials in the future. That was my little set of that picture. Hope to be doing some more of that set. Gonna post them, do more time lapse and things like that. But I want to go back to doing some of my stupid videos because it's. I like doing my ink tutorials, but I also like doing some stupid videos as well. And God, I'm out of breath. Whew. Okay, so like and subscribe. That's what YouTubers say, innit? And yeah, take it easy. Catch you in the next one. Ciao. Yeah, you know what? Fresh air ain't good for me. I'm going back inside. Oh, that's more like it. This is where I belong. Smoking some vape and drinking some banana spiced rum. Not a sponsor, but goddamn, it's the nuts. Now time to watch me some YouTube videos. In the meantime, guys, watch another video of mine. If not, go to my channel and also watch more videos of mine. What will it be? I can wait. I can't wait, I've got shit to do.